What's up, everyone? It's like a fet. How you guys doing? In this video, I'm gonna show you how I am about to take apart this drum set. I'm gonna comment mwen retire batterie sa, mwen démolir. I'm just retire tout bagay sou li pou mette yo sou kote. Okay, so pay attention and see how I do it. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. If there's anything else besides this video you want to ask, just drop it in the comment. If I don't have an answer for you, I'll look up for one. But for now, I want you guys to enjoy this video. Okay, so let's begin. Sa nou ma fe la, ap devise bay sa yo pou m ka retire tet la. So what I'm showing you guys is how I'm unscrewing these little bolts here on the side so I can take the rim off. As you can see, you need this little washer right here. You don't want to lose that when you're putting it back together. So you want to keep all those together. You want to have like a bag so you can put those in later. And that's the green bag right there. And that's just me showing you how to like put it back in the hole after you're finished. So now that I've done all those, you want to take that out, put it to the side, and do the other side of the drum. So langsung saya basah, kita akan lebar. Begitu dua yang tiba-tiba tu kami tutup bisyo di kote bed. Now once you're finished with this one, you're gonna do the same to the other tom, the floor tom, and also the bass drum. So langsung saya punya. Ça fait même bagarre pour le show, ok? Alright, suivre et puis like, comment. Ça me connaît ça au même des vidéos, ça vous paraît même. Et c'est un numéro en l'autre comme ça me connaît. Alright guys, like I said, like, enjoy the video, comment. If there's something you like and don't like about the video, let me know. And negative, I'll appreciate it, and just enjoy the video. Okay. Alright guys, although this video is sped up, one tip I have for you: if you do plan on taking your drums apart, it's best to use a power drill because it will go way faster than just using the drum key. Okay? Samedi la, même si nou wè video ale rapide, li pi bon si nou utilize yon tuile au lieu de clé batterie parce que la fè ale pi rapide. Okay? Kounya deske n fini, na pran tout bagay, nou wal mette sou kote, ok? If you have the proper stuff to store your items, you can. If not, just try to put them together as neat as possible. And that's a very important bag with all the bolts. You want to make sure that one is there specifically. You don't want to lose that. Ok? Ti valise ver la, li gen tout visyo. Ou vle make sure que ou pa pedil, mette l'on kote ki pre, ok? Guys, thank you for watching. Merci parce que vous regardez vidéo ça. Like, comment, share, and peace out, guys.